Hey folks, S.O.L Recovery and Repair coming at you here. Beautiful Friday morning. It's currently about 71 degrees. Check out my view as we come into beautiful Casey County, Kentucky here. Look at this. I'm going to do a little service work on a fertilized truck and a semi. Just a gorgeous piece of country. Well, we'll come back with an update once we make it to the customer. See what's going on with this fertilized truck. Think he may have a low tire on the semi, something like that. And we'll get them fixed up and back on the road. We'll see you guys later.